You are on the Elin Trader channel. Glad to see everyone. Today we have another powerful strategy, a combination of Bollinger Bands and the stochastic indicator, fast technical analysis that I personally trade with. I remind you that on my Telegram channel you can find more strategies, my signals, live trades and access to copying my trades. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Join and message me if you want to copy my trades. Today we use two indicators. The first one is Bollinger Bands. I'll select it now. We choose indicators here. The upper band shows overbought conditions, the lower band shows oversold conditions, and the middle band is the price balance. When a candle touches the lower band, it's often a signal for move up. When it touches the upper band, a move down is possible. Here the candle touched the upper band, crossed it, and now we see some downward movement. This is on the 1 minute time frame. This is our first indicator. The second indicator is the stochastic oscillator. We select it here. What does it show? Reversal moments. Below 20 means sold and a possible move up. Above 80 means overbought and a possible move down. As you can see, there is a tendency to move down now because the level crossed 80. This is combo logic. We enter only when signals match. Bollinger touches the lower band and stochastic is below 20. Then we enter up. Bollinger touches the upper band and stochastic is above 80. We enter down. Right now we have a touch at the upper band, so we can open a trade down soon. I'll set the parameters. Open the order and watch how the situation develops. We opened a sell trade. Price is moving sideways with some pulses. Here it crossed 80 and started moving down. You can see that both indicators clearly showed a sell setup. Nothing on the chart suggests a sharp move up. Let's look at the overall trend. It's downward. So everything was done correctly. We just wait for the order to close. You can see the 80 level crossover. That's when we entered. This gives a clear signal to enter. We are in good profit. These indicators complement each other well. This is one of the most accurate strategies. The win rate is up to 75-85 in normal market conditions with the right currency pair. Payout is important too. We immediately exclude pairs with low payout. We choose 80% and higher. Now let's move to the second currency pair and open another trade. I'll take euro and dollar, a popular pair. We see it approaching the 20 level and it may go a bit lower. I think we can open a buy. Let it move down slightly more. There is a crossover, so we open a buy. Done. Now we wait and watch. Again, we use the combo of two indicators. This combo with technical analysis is my standard strategy. It works because using only one thing doesn't make sense. Overloading indicators doesn't work either. Reading the chart and using time frames is important, and indicators are helpers. Trading leaves traces on the chart, and indicators collect those traces so we can decide how to act. This is important. Indicators are helpers, but we never forget technical analysis. You can see the move up starting. We are closing in strong profit. We entered based on indicators. The stochastic was near 20, price was moving there, and the candle behavior confirmed the buy. Yeah. Let's move to another currency pair and see what's happening. The situation looks mostly bearish, but let's analyze it. There was a breakout up, but more like stabilization around this level. Now we see a downward trend. Here it's better to enter from levels. This is what technical analysis tells us. On the 1 minute chart, we see wave-like movement clearly going down. The indicator shows below 20, which means a reversal may happen soon. We can wait one more candle and open a buy. I won't wait long. This indicator is moving towards the band. You can see it starting to level out. Not a sharp drop, but stabilization. So we entered the buy at the right time. Again, we see a lower candle crossover. Everything points to a buy. First, we analyzed the chart on different time frames, then we checked what the indicator showed. The candle touched the lower band, which means possible growth. The candle touched the lower band and we opened a buy. Stochastic is below 20 and the overall structure is wave-like with signs of stabilization. You can see how good the profit is. Everything is quite simple. Don't rush. First, look at the chart on different time frames. Use short time frames to catch these bulls. This tells us a lot. We don't rely only on indicators or only on the chart. Everything works together. We mark levels, and I recommend not relying on just one indicator. Enter only when both indicators match. This is very important. Now let's talk about reversal signs. What reversal signs did we have here? You can see the upwards move starting, a long wick, a pin bar, small candles after an impulse. This shows absorption and the situation stabilize. This is important to understand from the chart. After a strong move, price almost always pulls back. Bollinger Bands help catch the edges of that pullback. Stochastic shows when the pullback is ending. Here we saw the line starting to level out, which means the pullback was ending and we entered a buy. So this strategy is triple based: 2 indicators and technical analysis. levels, trends and candlestick patterns. I showed how this strategy works and explained the indicators. Now we will withdraw the profit. You can see that in a short time we traded very well and earned $1,000. I'm always glad to see you on my Telegram channel, where I share tips, strategies, go deeper into technical analysis, indicators and give signals. I help you adapt to the platform, avoid losing your deposits and trade with awareness and strategy. This is very important. I want you to earn consistently and I'm ready to help. In the next videos we will cover many interesting topics, other strategies and other indicators. The money has been sent and already received. I'm glad you were with me. I hope everything was clear in this video. We will come back at these indicators again, analyze others, go deeper into technical analysis, chart reading and different approaches. I'm always glad to see you on my videos. Wishing everyone profitable trading. Bye!